It's dark. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Snake Hill CHERT. I was reading that the stuff with the banding, the blue stuff, is called Kettle Point CHERT. Does not seem to be too good though. So, I think I'm going to try to find a state forest that I could camp in. We'll see. But it is getting dark, so I'm going to be just driving aimlessly in the dark. Okay, I'll check back in. Throwing them back. Yeah, I ain't catching anything here.
What the? Is that a pig?
It's a pig. Somebody painted a pig.
So we stopped at this rest stop to stretch our legs, and it's got this nice overlook. Yeah, it's a lot chillier up here.
it's just a mountain followed by a lake. Just over and over. And right there is a beaver dam. I just wanted to show you that real quick. This is way more wilderness than pretty much any of the other places I've ever been to. This is crazy. Check back soon. So this definitely looks like moosey territory. Moosey. So I pulled up to the Historical Society here, History Museum, and it closed a half an hour ago. I'm just checking it out real quick. It looks like it's focused on railroad stuff. Here, let me show you. Railroad Corporation. North New York Central Railroad. So yeah, it closed a half an hour ago. It says it's $5 for adults, $2 for seniors, $2 for students, and children under 12 are free. I'll read this to you. Iron tracks in the wilderness. Since the 1850s, people have been attracted to the Adirondacks for multiple reasons, whether for profit, sport, health, recreation, solitude, or a way of life. The late 19th century Eastern railroads made entrance to destinations in this region possible for thousands of visitors. In the early 1900s, however, transportation changed the inaccessible to the accessible for the entire Adirondack Park, and it became a destination. This contributed significantly to the eventual demise of the railroads. The following is a concise history of the Iron Horse in our wilderness. What? I don't know, that's a little confusing. So, alright, switch.
that is really flowing. Looks like there was an old bridge or house or something there. And then over here is an attraction called Ausable Chasm, and they have like hiking trails down into the gorge. Also rafting tours. Tickets head to Welcome Center, and I guess this is where you start your hike. They have an adventure trail. That looks sketchy. Yep. That is an adventure trail. I would love to do this. They're not open because of the pandemic at the moment. Tubing, that's fun. Mini golf. A rappelling tour. I think I just saw one of those cords. Lantern tour, that seems fun.
Next year I'm coming back and doing that.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Did you see this one too?
Yeah.
I was saying that looked really sketchy, but I would do this. Like, look. That looks so cool. For the rafting.
And that.
I don't know, maybe. You'd get a good look at the rock though. Lantern tours seem fun. Yep, maybe next time, guys. What do you think? Drop a comment. Which thing should we do next time?
Alright guys, this is Texas Falls in the Green Mountains of Vermont. This is an amazing place. It smells amazing. There's evergreen trees everywhere. It's everything you could want in an outdoors location here. Make sure you stop by. This is awesome. You don't want to miss this. Mountain ice water.
Oh, look at them.
It's tiny. Little tiny brookie. What the hell? So right here, laid out in the sun, we have a solar shower. The water inside heats up from the sunlight, and then you can take a shower. But it's getting dark. It's gonna be dark very soon, so I think I'm gonna close out this video for today. We got a lot done today. That was awesome.